Hello, today I'm going to share with you air fryer apples that taste absolutely delicious. They're sweet, spiced, creamy, quite a dessert that's healthy and delicious. So we're going to start with 3 small apples. I'm using my garden apples. You can use 2 large apples instead. I'm going to basically slice these apples into 4 slices, then core each bit. I tried a knife but then actually used a peeler and it worked way better, so I recommend that. So core your apples, and once that's done, we're going to slice them into 1/2 inch thick slices. You don't want to peel them. The skins are alright. They taste delicious. Then I'm going to take a medium bowl or a large bowl. We're gonna add in 2 tablespoons of unsalted butter. You can also use coconut butter if you want a vegan version of this recipe. I'm going to quickly microwave just for a few seconds to melt the butter. Give it a good mix. Once it's mixed, we're going to add in 2 tablespoons of brown sugar or any other sugar you have. It will work. Then 1/2 teaspoon of cinnamon, 1/2 teaspoon of nutmeg, and 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla extract. You can use other spices too that are for sweet desserts. I am basically mixing all of these ingredients together until they're well combined, and once that's done, I'm going to add in all the slices into the bowl, and we want to just cover the apples with the mixture. I'm using a spoon to do that. Don't use your hands because it's quite sticky. Once that's done, I'm going to just put all the apples into air fryer. Make sure they're leveled out and cover the basket quite well. We're going to put this into the air fryer and air fry at 380 Fahrenheit or 195 Celsius degrees for 10 minutes. And after that, we're gonna let it cool down a little bit, and I'm going to serve this with 2 scoops of ice cream. You can use cream or vegan ice cream, whatever your choice is. These taste absolutely delicious with a bit of cream. We love it. So this is a healthy, beautiful, delicious recipe you can serve any time of the year, especially fall when you have a lot of apples in your garden. Enjoy and take care.